I honestly don't know how you can deal with that. There's so much going on in the world that can make you truly miserable and depressed for the rest of your life. Hello, my name is Elmira Strange and I'm a psychologist and hypnotherapist. Welcome to my channel, and here we're discussing what is happiness and if it's possible to be happy all the time, like all the time during our life. I get it. We are all tired from being unhappy, sad, resentful, pessimistic, depressive. And what is happening in the world doesn't help, especially if you are one of those people who read news on a daily basis. I honestly don't know how you can deal with that. There's so much going on in the world that can make you truly miserable and depressed for the rest of your life. But in this video, we are talking about how not to be depressed. So let's get back to our topic. Honestly, I feel hurt when I hear people, when they call themselves, I'm such a stupid, I'm such an idiot. Why on earth are you calling yourself such a derogatory names that you wouldn't call your best friend? Or you wouldn't talk like that with your younger sibling if you have one. I have one and I would never call him stupid or idiot. I love my little brother, even though he's not that little anymore. The point is, when you talk to yourself, you need to remember that your personal happiness starts with self-respect and self-compassion and self-love. You are the most important person in your life. It's not your spouse, it's not your children, it's you. Because if you're not happy and if you're not healthy, then nobody will benefit from your interactions. You will not be able to give care and love and attention to anyone in your family if you are not well, and I mean physically or mentally. So, is it possible to be happy every day? Yes, it is possible. For example, you can make lists of activities that bring you joy on a daily basis. It can start with basics such as walking in nature, talking to positive people, watching comedies, playing with children, with pets, doing something you love, and making sure you do it as much as possible throughout the day. In fact, you can fill in your day with 90% of activities that are positive in nature. That's something that you love doing. It is possible. And if you are into the law of attraction and vibration and resonance, then you know how it is important to be on the highest vibrational level, because this is where you become lucky. This is where doors open up in front of you to your new career, to your new opportunities. You'll find hobbies that you love. You will meet people that are so interesting to talk to. Everything will go your way if you maintain that point, that high vibrational point. But sometimes life kicks you off from that vibrational point, and then you get back for a couple of hours and sometimes even for a day to the point of sadness or low feeling, which feels like depression. But the cool thing is, the next time you go back up on your highest vibrational level, you appreciate it even more. You become so grateful to be again happy and positive about your day and about your life. You are welcoming the feelings of being good. Not just good, but really good. So my today's advice is love yourself first. Learn to feel compassion and kindness towards yourself. That's where your personal happiness starts from. So if you like this video, please like it, share and subscribe it, and I will see you in my next video.